Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Friday Freebie Day. So we are on number 86. So as you can see, I have got some lovely hearts for you. A nice page of hearts. Now I've made these with my collage papers, which I think are lovely. So they will match in with last week's Friday Freebie, which is really nice. Now I've got them in two sizes. I've got the bigger ones, and then I've got another one which is the same on the small. So I've just made them smaller, so you've got sort of like two of each in two sizes, and I think they are lovely. Really nice for any sort of project that you want to do, and I think they will go into any journals because hearts do. I love hearts, and I know you guys love hearts as well. And of course, because it's February, we have to have some hearts in this one, don't we? So I haven't got a tutorial for you today, but I'm going to show you what I've made. Andy's away at the moment, and Andy's office is downstairs, so he normally watches Mum while I'm upstairs, and he's in the UK. He is visiting family and he's going to a wedding. Unfortunately, I can't go because I have to stay with Mum. So it's given him a little break, which is nice. So this is what I have made this week. I've used the little hearts as little dingly danglies. Now I haven't made any little pouches like this for ages, so I thought I'd make some little dingly danglies with the hearts. And I've used my Valentine words and phrases on here as well. And what I've done with the words, I've actually coated them in a little bit of diamond glaze. So I don't know whether you can see. If I do that, you can see some of them are shiny on there. So I've kept it onto a bigger piece like this. I didn't cut them out first, and then I've just gone over each little one, random ones that I want, with the diamond glaze, and then I've cut them out, because if you cut them out first, it's a little bit fiddly to coat them in the diamond glaze. And then you've got them on here as well, so that's really nice, and I think they look nice. Just adds a little bit of shiny to it, which is nice. Now I've made the little pouch and the little journal with the Valentine and love papers, but again you can make it with last week's Friday Freebie as well, which is lovely because it all matches in with the hearts. And I've made a little journal like this. So let me just quickly measure. I'm afraid my ruler is in centimeters, it's not inches. I cannot find my ruler. So this is about 23 centimeters by 13 centimeters, so that gives you a rough idea of the size. Again, make it any size. And what I've done with the hearts, I've made little pockets inside. So and I put one of my little words and phrases in there. So on each one we've got a little heart pocket, which is lovely, and I'm just loving this. So it's really simple to make. I've just got the backing paper, I printed on both sides of the cover, and I've just popped in a few coffee and tea stain papers in there, and I've just popped the little hearts on the page as pockets, which I'm loving. Now I'm also going to use these hearts in my February calendar journal, which I really need to catch up on. I haven't done any of February yet, so I need to start doing that one, and I'm going to use these hearts as little pockets. So the same thing, I'm just going to pop my little day in there for the pocket and pop it onto the page, which I think will look really nice. And then I can have probably a couple of little dingly danglies in the journal as well. So I am going to do a flip through of what I've done for January as well, so I will get that done. So I'm not 100% how many videos I'm going to get done for the next 2 weeks until Andy comes back, and then I can sneak back up to my art room again to do some videos. So I think that is lovely. So just made little embellishments, little pockets with the hearts this week, and I'm just loving them. So I'll put the link down to the papers and the words and phrases and the things that I've used on here. But there we go, guys. So if you are not in my Facebook group, Happiness and Crafting group. Please do join, because that's where you're going to get your Friday freebies ready to download. There is a link down below under the video, so just click on that. It will take you to the Facebook page, a couple of questions to answer, and that's it. And then you have access to all of the Friday freebies. So you've got 86 weeks of Friday freebies in there to have a play and print off. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please have a fantastic rest of the day. Have a lovely weekend. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you all soon. All right, guys, bye bye.